Hi everyone, getting this error message while using IDM. Even when you download any files, it gets downloaded normally using the browser. If you go and check for updates to your IDM, you can see that you are already running on the latest version. So let's see how we can overcome this issue in the most easiest way. To get started, simply go to your browser and search for IDM. Go to the official web page of Internet Download Manager. From there, click here to download the latest version of IDM. Now if IDM is running, simply close it from the taskbar. Now once the download finishes, simply run the exe of IDM and install it. Once installed, open your browser. If you don't get the enable extension page, then simply click on the extensions icon, then click on manage extensions and simply turn on the IDM integration module, and this time you won't get to see the earlier error messages. Now open IDM, go to options. Here you will find an option advanced browser integration. Simply restart it from here, and that's it, the job is done. Now you can download any file and you won't get the error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.